Most Windows users don't realize this, but when you add a printer, Windows often installs a generic driver instead of the one made by the manufacturer. The one mistake can cost you important features. I will show you what you're missing and how to fix it. You have a printer with a generic Microsoft driver. Let's see what features you have. Let's open printers and scanners. Go to the printer. Let's open printer properties. And here I'm using a Microsoft IPP class driver, which is a generic driver. You might be using a Microsoft generic driver. Let's go to preferences. You don't have much. Landscape, portrait, yes, we can go to advanced. You can see the paper size. That's about it. Because you're using a Microsoft generic driver, don't do that. Use the manufacturer's driver for your printer. And a tip, don't use the CD that came with the printer. Throw it away because it's already outdated. All right, so let's go to the website and I'll show you what driver you're going to use. Okay, so we're here at my brother's website. I have a brother 2315. You might have an HP. So here, we're not going to download the full driver and software package. We're going to just download the printer driver. Download it, then extract it to your desktop by using 7-zip or 1-zip. Just make sure you know where you extract it to. After you do this, then let's go back to the settings. Okay, so you're not going to uninstall the printer and reinstall the printer to use your driver that you downloaded from the manufacturer. What you're going to do is you're going to open printer properties. Then you're going to go over to advanced. You're going to click on new driver. You're going to hit next. You're going to say have disk. You're going to browse. And then you're going to choose the folder that you extracted when you downloaded the driver. You're going to go and click on the INF file. It should automatically show you the INF files. So just click on it, click on open. Once you have it open, then you're going to click on the printer that you have. So for example, mine is a Brother HL2315D series. Click on next, click finish, and then you're going to click on apply. Click OK. Now we're going to go back to printer properties. We're going to go to preferences. Then now you see the driver's features from the manufacturer. A whole lot more options to choose from. You have two-sided tray. You can select your trays. You have everything that you need to print to the printer. But if you want to uninstall the printer and get rid of the driver, click on this video and it'll show you how to do that. And remember to subscribe and turn your bell notification on for the latest Windows 11 content. And I'll see you guys in that video. Peace.